Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make meat pie. This is so delicious and I hope you're going to give it a try. The feeling itself alone will take you to heaven. Let's get started. So in a saucepan, add in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, followed by chopped onion and crushed garlic. I'll then add in habanero pepper and stir this. I'll let this cook for more or less 3 to 4 minutes. After that minute, I'll go ahead and add in my minced meat. I'll then add in vegetable seasoning, meat seasoning, salt and white pepper. So you can add in any seasoning of your choice. Lastly, I added in salt and then mix this together. So as you can tell, there's liquid in. I'll let this cook until the liquid or the water in the meat evaporates, just like so. Now you can't see any water or any liquid in it. I'll go ahead and add in the vegetables, which is carrots, red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. I'll stir this until everything has come together and add in corned beef. The corned beef is totally optional. You can use it or leave it. I was having it there, then I decided to add it to it, but then it's totally optional. I'll stir this until everything has come together and then add in about a tablespoon of flour. You want it a little bit soggy, so do not add in much flour. Just about a tablespoon of flour and then a tablespoon of water would be fine, or should be fine, depending on the quantity of your meat. So I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. Lastly, I added in fresh chopped parsley, and then this is it. Just look at this amazing feeling. Even the feeling itself alone will take you to heaven. It's so delicious, guys, and I hope you're going to give it a try. So this is it. I'm done with the filling. I'll keep it aside and let it cook down completely before using it. Now let's move to the dough. For the dough, I added in flour, powdered milk, which is optional, sugar, and then grated nutmeg. I'll go ahead and add in salt and mix all these ingredients together. I'll add in margarine. Sorry, I'm using butter, but then you can use margarine if you don't have butter. I'll add in butter and then mix until it forms a breadcrumbs consistency like so. Create a roll in the middle and then add in egg. And water. So the water I didn't add in all at once. I divided it. I added in half, kept the half aside, and then later I added in the half again. I'll mix these ingredients together till well combined and then until it forms a dough. So once it's formed a dough, don't overwork it, don't overstress it. Just as soon as it has come together, knead it for more or less 2 to 3 minutes and then take it. So I'll form it in a ball shape like this and then cover it with a napkin. I'll let this rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'll transfer it on my work surface and then roll it in the sausage shape like so. I'll then go ahead and cut it into smaller pieces, around 90 to 100 grams each. So I divided mine into 6 equal parts, around 100 grams each. I'll bring one of them and roll it in the ball shape and then keep it aside. So make sure you cover it for the surface to not dry out. I then roll it flat like this. The thickness should be around 3 to 4 millimeters, and then add in about 2 tablespoons of the filling in. I'll then brush the edge with water and then flip the other side, the other edge over. I'll press it with my fingers to make sure it has sealed well. So this part is totally optional. You can use the normal one. You can do the normal one with the fork. Press it and make sure everything has come together, and then put it in your oven. You are good to go. But then I decided to take it to the next level. So this is very easy. Pinch the edge like you pinch it and then pull it down towards you. Use your index finger and then your thumb to press it and then pull it towards you, then flip it like you're testing it, then you flip it on top, and then you repeat the same process. It's very easy. Once you try the first one, the second one will be very easy for you. Pinch it and then pull it towards you, then you twist it or you flip it on it. When you get to the end, flip it and then push it under, like under the meat pie or the pie dough. And that's it. It's very easy, it's simple. If you don't understand, just go back a little bit and then replay and then do it again. So for the egg wash, I'm using 1 egg yolk and a tablespoon of water. I'll brush it on top of the pie, and then this is ready. These are the bad boys. They are ready to be baked. So I baked mine at 180 degrees Celsius from 25 to 30 minutes. And just look at this, guys. It's so beautiful, it's so delicious, and I hope you're going to give it a try. And when it's done baking, this is how it should look like. When you get to this point, you're ready. So mine took from 25 to 30 minutes, and then it was okay at 180 degrees Celsius. And then just look at this beautiful pie, guys. It's not only beautiful, but trust me, it's delicious as well. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, please send me some stars. Now things are expensive, so I need stars. Please share as well. Love you all. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.